Okay, if you... Hello, never bring book, then come here to talk. Hey, if you follow the steps that I tell you, you follow the thinking that I tell you, it is not difficult. We have a fraction plus a fraction. Then it's back to your primary school mathematics. Make common denominator. Then the ABC, I help you already. So, my next step, AB times C is ABC ma. Then because I multiply C to the numerator, it becomes 4C. Then the right hand side one, multiply A already, become ABC. Numerator also multiply A, become 5A. Then, same, primary school also same. Same denominator, we can combine them into one fraction. It is addition. So I take my numerator and add my numerator. Like that only, 4C plus 5A. That is your answer. If you want your answer to be neater, you put A first, the term with A in front of the term with C. Because alphabetical order. Okay? But both are acceptable. Can? Okay? Quickly. Hello. Then, the first denominator is 2CD. 2CD is 2 times C times D. Hello, hey, the two of you. You do wrong page already, now you don't want to follow. Then when do you want to catch up? Then the second denominator is 5 times C. So if I want to make common denominator, 2 and 5. To make them common, I need to make them become 10. Then the first denominator got C multiply D. Second denominator only got C, that's why I need to multiply D also. So that I can have common 10CD. Then because I multiply 5 to the first denominator, I must multiply 5 to 3. 14. We are at part C. Minus is still minus. Okay? Numerator times numerator. 3 multiply my 2D already become 6D. Then just combine them into one fraction. That's your answer. How, Liz? Are you following? Do liao. Okay, for those who are stuck here, last lesson I also told you 1 is actually 1 over 1. So the denominator of 1 is actually 1. If I want to make common denominator, I will need to multiply 2CD to 1. Can Ruan, this one just now you start, right? Oh, you did already. Just now I saw one stuck one. I forgot who. Okay. Hello. So 1 multiply 2CD, then my first fraction can become 2CD over 2CD. Then I am adding the second fraction, already 2CD. Then combine into one fraction, numerator plus numerator. Okay, E. Okay, this one, my clue for you was wrong. We shouldn't go and multiply first. What should we do? If we just look at 3 over 9xy, 3 and 9 both can divide by 3. Yes, simple form first. Cancel? Yes. No, I don't think you are potential A star student. Can. But then your number very big, later you have to factorize. Yeah, can. In the end, everything divide by 12. But I don't think you are A star because I think you are going to be full mark student. Okay, same for 8 over 4. Both 8 and 4 can divide by 4. So divide by 4 first. Simplify whenever you can. So your 2 fraction become hey, this one important. List. So go and pay attention here also. Because if you don't cancel, later it will be a lot more difficult. Yeah, I know you can, but then if next time the numbers are not so easily recognizable, so it's always better to cancel first. Make your number small. Then my front don't need to multiply anything. My second fraction I need to multiply 3, need to multiply y. Hello, hello. You all got the same step or not?
Yes, sir.
If don't have, follow this one. Cancel first better. Sure better one. Okay? You straight away work with simple number, you get your answer already. Why there got moving one? Hello? I pointing at your classmates. PLD. I sit here because I don't believe you all really using your PLD to do work. I don't trust anyone. I have trust issues. Okay, this one, 12 and 8. If we straight away go and multiply, 12 multiply 8 become 96. 8 multiply 12 become 96. You can make the number common also. Yes. But 96 is very big. So we don't want to go so big. So we think 12. Next multiple. 12 times 2, 24. Times 3, 36. Hello, Logan. 8. Times 2, 16, times 3, 24. So 12, 24, 8, 16, 24. We can straight away go to, just 24 is enough already. Okay? To find the lowest common multiple, 24 is enough. Then the front times x, but don't have y, don't have z. So we need to multiply y and z also. Then my 8 times y times z don't have x, so I must multiply x. Can Ruan, this one you haven't do right. So my first fraction become 2yz, 24 xyz. Second fraction become where? Why got yz? Because I want to make common denominator. At first, I have 12x, 12 and 18. The lowest common is 24. I have x, but the other one got y and z. So I need y and z also. That's why I multiply yz, yz. Then the behind one don't have x, but I need x, so I multiply x also. Answer. Hey, I don't want to keep stopping to stop you all. Like that you are disrupting my lesson. You do already, can you listen? Double check your answer. Okay? Going by the same idea, the front I am missing a z. The back I am missing a y, a x. So, multiply, 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 multiply. Then my fraction will become z over xyz minus x over xyz. Common denominator put together, I will have z minus x. Chloe, why not following? Huh? Then? Very cold. Off the fan. Still have aircon, huh? Okay, H. The first denominator is x. I am missing 4 and y. So I know I need to multiply 4 and y. Behind one missing a x, I need to multiply x. I will have 12y over 4xy plus 5x over 4xy. Answer. Okay? To make it neater, I can put my x term in front. But you get to the first one, you already get your answer. Okay? Second one is to show off that you are able to put your x term in front. Huh? Yes. Okay, this one.
Of course it's you again.
Hey, be nice to your classmates. Hey, but really, Sec 3 a lot of people retain one. Yes, a lot. Yeah. Sec 3 is the year most people retain one. Huh? 10 over. Yeah. Some retain 2 times, then they own self decided to quit already. Mainstream school leaver. Huh? They quit school lor. The criteria are inside your student companion. Right? Yes, it is inside. Your promotion criteria is inside your student companion. Okay, this term is a bit still cold.
So very hot, very hot, very hot. On the fan.
Okay. No. I stand here, I also cold. Okay. Now my front is x squared. X squared is x times x. So I am missing a 4. I am still also missing a y. So I need to multiply 4y. I need to multiply 4y. I skip I Oh, sorry. Never mind. I first I first Yeah lah. Hello, when I talk, can you all please don't be talking? Y square is at the front of the denominator at the front is y square. Y square is y times y. Hello. One of you move. One of you move. You are the last one I heard one. When I talk, you still talk. You go to the front. No, you go to the front.
You go.
Quick, don't waste my time. No, go. Okay. Same here. Maybe you all already done the homework. You all know what to do. But when I'm explaining, some of your classmates may need the explanation. So don't be so selfish. Okay? So the denominator of my front fraction is y square. Y square is y times y. Even when I y times y, I still need a z to make the common denominator. I don't have z, so I still need to multiply a z. Then I need to multiply a z to the top. Then when I look at the second fraction, the denominator is y times z. I have y, I have z. But here is y square. Y square is y times y. So I am actually missing a y. I need to make my y become y square, then they can be common. Which is why I have to multiply a y. Then I have to multiply y to the numerator. Then after I multiply z to the front, I will have y square z. I will have 3z. Minus a fraction is still minusing a fraction. Then yz times y square z also. Then I have 2y. So if you look at the big picture, what you are doing, the steps that we follow, has always been the same as just adding numbers. Okay? The steps are exactly the same when we are adding fraction or subtracting fraction. Okay, so here I have x squared, I am missing a 4, I am missing a y. Because here got 4, here got y. Then I multiply 4y. Then 4xy, I am missing a x also because this one is x squared. So I will need to multiply another x, another x. Then my first fraction will become 4x squared y. 4y multiplied to the y on top. 4y squared. Addition is still addition. 5 times x. Combine into one fraction. 4y squared plus 5x. Answer. Okay? So the steps is all the same. Then I want you all to be very familiar with this step so that when the individual item become a bit more complicated, we can still follow the same steps. Okay?
Yes.
So I mentioned before, when it is in your numerator, when you have two terms, the first thing you do is to bracket them. So even if your denominator got two terms, it's also the same one. So the first thing that I do is to bracket them. Bracket when there are more than two terms. Hey!
So I'm taking myself back.
You are wasting my time. Every minute you waste. Everyone here also wastes that 1 minute. So your 1 minute become 20 minutes. You are wasting everyone's time. You all, the two of you, happy? What is the difference? Still, our time is being wasted by the two of you. Okay. Here got an important thing important idea. Now I bracket the denominator. Brackets means what is inside belongs together. So if I have 2a plus 4 over b, by now you all should be able to do, right? What do I do to the first fraction? Times b. Times b. Second fraction I will times a, right? Okay, so now these new fractions that we are adding is actually 2 divided by a fraction, no, later. 4 divided by a bracket, 2 divided by a bracket, 4 divided by a bracket. But these two brackets are different. So I can name this bracket bracket A, I can name this bracket bracket B, right? And since inside it belongs together one, so now I can actually just same. I multiply this whole bracket with this whole bracket. I multiply bracket B. Then it will be bracket AB. Then here I multiply bracket A. It will also become bracket A times bracket B. A times B is the same as B times A, ma. You all have learned it here already. Okay? So if I see the bracket as a whole, what I'm doing is exactly the same. Okay? So now I have to multiply my first fraction with 5a plus 3, the entire bracket. Then because I multiply this, I must multiply the same thing to the top. Then to make them the same, here, the entire bracket, I need to multiply this entire bracket. Okay, let me write the next step first, then it will be a bit clearer. So my first fraction will become 2 multiply 5a plus 3. Then my original bracket, 3a plus 1, also multiply 5a plus 3. My second fraction, originally 5a plus 3. Then I multiply another bracket, the bracket from the first denominator, 3a plus 1. Then, because I multiply 3a plus 1, my 4 also multiply 3a plus 1. Then can you see that now my denominator become exactly the same also? I purposely one, I purposely multiply this and this multiply this so they will be the same. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. So I can rearrange, put the 3a plus 1 in front. Then they will be exactly the same. So when I have the same denominator, then same as previously, even same as primary school, same denominator, I only need to write one of the denominator. Combine the two fractions. Okay, then my numerator from the first fraction, this one is plus, I put this one plus. All the steps are exactly the same as your question 1. It's exactly the same as your primary school adding fraction. Nothing has changed actually. Okay, it's just the individual part. The seeing these two things as one thing, as a bracket, Once you understand that part, actually, all the rest is the same. Okay? But here I want to stress one very important point. Keep your bracket. When you combine the two fractions, keep the bracket. Don't expand. Don't expand. Don't expand. Okay? Very important. That's why I say 3 times. I must have this here. Later I will tell you why. I must have this step over here. This step is the most important step. Okay? After that, then I do my expansion. I combine first, then I use one step to do my expansion. 2 multiply 5a. Positive, positive, positive. 2 multiply 3. Positive, positive, positive. I am adding 4 times of this bracket. So everything inside the bracket must multiply 4. So I must add 4 times of 3a. Positive, positive, positive. I must add 4 times of 1. Positive, positive, positive. Then I write one more step to simplify. 10a plus 12a, 22a. 6 plus 4, 10. Answer. Okay? Okay? Then I show you why I don't expand first. Just now I just go through this with 3, 2. I tell them, don't expand first, don't expand first, don't expand first. Then I go around, got one boy, expand. Then make exact same mistake that I tell them not to make. Hello, are you okay? Hello, are you okay? Okay, very first step. Logan, redeem yourself. What is the very first step?
Bracket.
Yes, very good. Correct. The very first step is to put the bracket. Yes. Then I need to multiply, make them same denominator. Now the first denominator is bracket A. Second denominator is bracket B. So I need to multiply bracket A by bracket B. Then they will become the same. Because I multiply bracket B to the denominator, I must multiply the same thing to the numerator. So second fraction, the idea is exactly the same. Now I need to multiply bracket A so that they will become exactly the same. Next, I write down my 2 fractions. I have b plus 1, my bracket A, but I multiply bracket B, so I have, hello, y. Okay, I multiply the second bracket so that these two brackets multiply together become the new common denominator. Hello. Okay, because I multiply bracket B to here, I need to multiply the same bracket to the top. That's why I have 4 times of this bracket. Second fraction, originally bracket B, 2b minus 5. Then I want to multiply the bracket A, so b plus 1. Then I need to multiply the same thing to the numerator. Can? Then the next step, don't expand. Just combine them together. Minus is still minus. Hey, when you all come for math lesson, the objective is to improve your math. It is not to go and dim your screen until you can watch some video, then become the teacher never catch you, oh, that's the objective, you reach your objective, you win already today. Okay? End of the day, you hear, you improve your math, then you can pass your final year exam, you can pass your national exam one. The objective is not here while you do something, then the teacher don't catch you while you win. Okay, you win when you improve your math. Okay. After that, then we expand the bracket. Then I can be looking at what I write here and do my expansion. Because the sign, you don't look at it, you will make mistake one, Yixing. Okay? I am looking at this, then I know my 4 multiply 2b. Positive. I looking at this, positive, negative. Then I am subtracting or I am minusing 6 times of this bracket. Meaning, I am minusing 6 times of everything inside. So I must minus 6 times of b. 6 times of b is 6b. I want to minus 6b. Okay? 6 times of 1 is 6. I want to minus 6. So I can look at this and see that, negative 6, positive b. Negative, positive, negative. I can be looking at it, negative 6, positive 1. Negative, positive, negative. This sign over here is where students make mistake. 8 out of 10 students will make mistake here. This one. Especially when you expand first, then become 9 out of 10 students make mistake when you expand first. So don't expand. Combine them into one fraction. Then look at it and expand. Negative, positive, that's why negative. Negative, positive, that's why negative. Okay? Be extra careful, double careful, triple careful over here. This sign. And in your exam, it is sure going to be a subtraction, sure going to be a minus here. Because the setter knows students always make mistake here, they will purposely set minus. They purposely want you to make this mistake. This is the trap. Okay? But same. Just now I go to 3, 2. I tell them this is the trick, this is the trap. I tell them to not expand, not expand, not expand. Then got one boy go and expand. And then, yeah lah, this one wrong lor. So this is the trap. Just like got one hole outside the school. When you come to school the first day, you drop inside the hole. Then second day you come to the school, you drop into the hole again. Third day you come, you drop into the hole again. It is always the same hole. It is always the same trap. After that, simplify. (8b minus 6b, 2b). Minus 20 minus another 6 minus 26. Okay? Okay, try part C. All plus should be quite simple. Or all done already. Go, go, go. Finish. Very good. Huh? Haven't finished. Try lah. Oh, B haven't finished. C haven't finished. B. One is, the front is 2B because 8B minus 6B. 8B minus 6B. Minus 20 minus another 6. That's why minus 26. This kind of number or alphabet is when you never do homework. Then you copy homework. Then you may copy the wrong answer. Then one person wrong, the other also wrong the same way. Then you know already. The 2 person copy answer one. Wow, you the slowest one still go. Keep going toilet. Go, 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 go. Quick, quick, quick. Hey, then you all finish. Part C. Try lah, try part C. Part C is the easy one. If you finish part C, try part D. But part D, I want to help you all first. Okay? Before you start part D, factorize out the 3 first. Then it will be easier. Then behind, factorize out the 2. It will be easier.
I don't factorize now.
Huh?
Can I do factorize?
You try, don't factorize. Later I show you. Hey, now you all doing work, you all can talk lah. If you don't know, you can ask your friend. Oh. But there is a time to listen. When I talk, you all listen first. Some of the things are very important. Then Chloe go to sleep again already. Why? Are you sleeping enough at home? Then why you come here always so tired, so sleepy? If you find it boring, too bad lah. Life is not always exciting one. Most of your life is boring one. Most of your life are going to be boring one. Most part of your life. Hey, then here you all finish already or you all just sleeping? Finish already. CD. Try lah. Huh? Oh, okay. Then E and F can go and try also. Hello. Zoe. Why you put the book up? Easier to think man like that. C, D, try. Try, exact same steps. You can refer to part A, part B. The steps are exactly the same. Same as part A, part B, same as question 1, same as primary school. Make common denominator, put together, then combine them into one fraction. Huh? 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Break. You do finish faster, then you got a bit of rest time. CD, if you can do CD, do CD. If you can finish CD, try EF. In fact, EF is easier than D. D you factorize first will be easier. F also, you factorize first will be easier. Go. How, Kailin? Are you doing? Huh? C, I haven't do yet. E. 2 bracket, how to do? How do we start? No. We start by bracket. On top also must bracket what? As long as more than 1 terms, I bracket first. Okay? They belong together. Then they form the numerator. Okay? Then after that, if you look at the denominator, list. Here I have bracket A. Here I have bracket A and bracket B. So what do I need to do to the first denominator? Huh? If I have 2 over A plus 3 over AB, what will I do? How do I make common denominator? Times B, right? This whole bracket is like a A, right? A A. Then this whole bracket is like a B, right? The bracket the inside belongs together one. So I just know this bracket same as this bracket. This bracket different. So it's no different from A and A are the same. The whole bracket are the same. Then I just need another B over here. I just need this bracket over here. They become common already.
So this one don't need to times.
Once I multiply E plus 2, if I write it out, 2 E plus 2, E plus 1 times E plus 2. Can you see the denominator is actually exactly the same already? Okay? So start by the bracket, then just follow the exact same steps can already. Math is the easiest subject already. Should all aim to get full marks one. If you never take out the 2 or 3, then your number later become very big, and then you need to find the common factor to factorize out from a big number, both from the top and the bottom to cancel. then you can get to the final answer.
Oh, so that's
Yeah. So if you cannot find the common number, then you wrong already. You don't get the last final answer mark. You will get some working mark in between if you do everything correctly. Okay? Okay. You all need more time, right? C, D, E. Okay. Those who finish can see mine and also check lah. Okay, I start with bracket. Then I will be multiplying. What I tell you is what I also do. It's not I tell you one thing, then I got shortcut or what. No. Break? Now lah. You're not breaking right now? Break. But 12:40 is the end already then. Nobody break before the break one ah. Right. Hello. Why are you still looking at your PLD? Why? You do finish. Do finish until where? Okay. Okay, 3c times 3c, 9c square. 3c times 1, 3c. Okay, so part C. Hello, Logan. Did you get the answer? Part C.
Yes.
Good. Yixing, did you get the answer? Well done. D. Okay. I factorize, then it becomes like just now like that. I have 3 multiply bracket A. Then actually, I see the 2 3D plus 1. So just now some of you say you don't want to factorize. Then 1 plus 3D, 3D plus 1. Are they the same? No meh?
I think yes.
2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2 ma. So 1 plus 3D is the same as 3D plus 1 ma. Okay? So the only thing you need to make common here is 3 and 2. Here times 2, here times 3. Then you can make common already. Here times 2. Here times 3. You common already. 6, 1 plus 3D. Then the other one, 6, 1 plus 3D. 9D. 6D. Hey, sorry, 4D. Okay? Hey, Hey Zoe, just now you told me you never bring, then you are going to write on a piece of paper. Ah, so you were lying. You liar. Okay, 4D minus 5D. So combine, become negative 5D. So, those of you who say you don't factorize, you do more complicated one, you must go and simplify until it looks like this. Okay? So, the factorizing first will always make your work easier. So, if you can find, look for the factorizing first. Okay? Okay, not done. Done? Not yet. I want to go E just now. I give you all the start already. Then F, I also give you all the start. 12 and minus 4F. 12 and minus 4F. Both can divide by 4. Okay? Once you do the factorization, can you see that this top bracket is exactly the same as this bottom bracket? So, 4 multiply this bracket multiply this bracket. If I have 4A over AB, I can cancel away the A already. So in this case, the whole bracket is together one. So this is the start already. You already cancel away the one fraction from the denominator. Hello, Yixing. Next lesson, when I check your work, I must see all this already cancel away, or else I will know you're not listening. You don't take out the number, can you see they can cancel? Can No Then if you don't cancel, later here you also multiply a 3 minus F, 3 minus F. Then later, when you add together, plus together, all this, it will be a lot more tedious. Yes, the answer will still be the same. You don't do, then you must make sure. Once you do, it becomes 4 over bracket minus 4 over bracket. The answer is 0. Where got minus and minus?
I never take out the.
You never take out means somewhere you do wrongly. Because it's not minus and minus,
Minus 4F minus.
That means you never change your minus sign somewhere. It is just 4F minus 4F. If you do correctly. Because I have the same thing minus same thing, sure 0 1 1. Where got minus and minus? That's why I told you, you never take out and then it's more complicated. It's easier for you to make mistake. If I check your work, I sure can find the mistake. Later. Okay? Okay. I want you all to go back and do question 3, A, B, C, D. So, to help you all get started, when we see the denominator, we add the bracket already. Then we look at what is inside the bracket. One is A minus 2, one is 2 minus A. Remember our factorization? A minus B, can I make it become B minus A? I factorize out a minus sign. Okay? So, if I factorize out a minus sign, I can make it become a minus 2. Then here, remember I got tell you another thing also. Negative 2 over 5 is the same as negative 2 divided by 5 is the same as 2 over negative 5. So my negative sign, I can put beside, meaning, if I put my minus sign beside, then become minus minus. So it will change the question into plus with the same denominator when I factorize out the negative. Okay? The whole question 3 is making use of this thing also. So for this one, it will become minus 3 minus b. Because when I factorize out the negative sign, it will change my plus into minus. Okay? So, your homework is to do until question 3. The entire question 3 is all using this same trick.